Hi everyone, it's Donna and I'd like to show you how to use the new SharePoint system for CNHP faculty overload, right, for nursing. So what you're going to do is you're going to go into Office 365 into SharePoint. You will be, the SharePoint site will be shared with you so that you can get into the faculty overload. Go down into your SharePoint sites and you can see I have several. But you're going to be looking for the CNHP Faculty Overload SharePoint site, and you're going to click on that. That should open another window for you, and you'll be taken to the home page for CNHP Faculty Overload. And so the name will be up in the left-hand corner. You'll be taken directly to the home page, and where you want to go to look for the courses is the link here that says Courses, and you're going to click on that. Now what's going to show up is a complete list of all of the courses that are available for this year, or for the year, right, that we know about. So you want to scroll down to the course that you're interested in taking. So let's say you are interested in taking undergraduate research, nursing research methods in RN to BSN degree completion. So you'd be able to see how many credits, right, the course, the program, the term, right, how many credits, where it's going to be located, right, the campus, right, the times if you have times. So for a face-to-face course, you're going to have times, like for here, for Pharm Concepts 2, right. For an online course, you won't have times. Instructional method, right, whether it's online, face-to-face, or blended or hybrid. And then you're going to go all the way over here to where it's a request overload. So you're going to click on this request overload piece. Now, click only once. What's going to happen is that a little box will open, and it's going to ask you to sign in for a flow, okay? You're going to get this little box that says run flow or to start flow. So if it asks you to initiate flow, go ahead and initiate that. Now if you see this run flow button here, right, that's what you want to click. If you click cancel, it'll take you away from your request for overload. You want to click run flow. When you do that, very quickly a little box will pop up and it's going to say that your overload was sent, but it's really, really quick. So if you don't watch, you'll miss it. So I'm going to click run flow. You'll see very quickly pop up. See that successful thing? Just let it go once. If you click it more than once, that means that your request has been sent. If you click it more than once, it's going to send like another request into the system, and it'll be multiple requests, and you'll get see, there you go. And then that's the flow notification that someone who's your approver is going to get. Now, your request for overload will go to your direct chair, right? So whoever you report to, whether that's Mary or Jen or Karen or Jackie or Anthony or whoever you report to, that request will go directly to your chair, and they get an email. Now I'm going to show you in my email what it'll look like if you accidentally click that button more than once. So if you accidentally click the button more than once, you're going to get an email that says, oops, another overload request is already in process, okay? So this is another course that I was just trying to beta test the system. And what it'll tell you is, if you clicked it twice, another faculty member is requested to teach this, or another faculty member may have already requested to teach that course in the flow. But don't be discouraged. So if you click twice, your first request will have gone in. And if you clicked and someone else got to that course section before you, that doesn't mean that they're going to be approved for that request by their chair. So if you get this notification, it does not mean that you're not going to be approved, okay? What you'll get when you are approved, right, or when you're not approved, is a second email, okay? So now I've got this email: greetings. My department chair did not approve my request to teach overload with the following comments, and your chair will be able to put comments in. Okay. And then if you are accepted to teach that particular course, your chair has approved your request to teach overload, and then it'll tell you that that approval request has gone on to the department chair. And then finally, you'll get a final email that says that you've been approved for the course, and with an explanation about overload and how overload works, right? So you will be notified in all the steps of the process that you have, requested, that your request has gone to your chair, right? And the chair has either approved or denied it. And then that email has gone on, or that approval has gone on to the chair of the department that the course is in. And then finally, you'll get an email if you were approved for the course or not, to teach the course. And then the course will be added to the term master through the work of Anna and Colleen. So if you have any questions about the system or any questions about what we're showing you, please feel free to email either me or Anna and me, or Anna and me and Colleen, and we will be very, very happy to assist you in this faculty overload approval process. Thank you very much for your time and attention. Have a great day.